Who am I
Stick to you like white on rice.
Disagree.
I'll just put it thickly.
Okay. Today, Miss TK.
Don't be showing people me looking crusty.
Oh, what? I'm looking crusty. My Ferrero is helping me because we have limited resources. So today I'll be doing a hair review on Dovie Hair. I ordered this hair on Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, it was like 125, somewhere around there. So it comes in this little orange bag, which is amazing. So it's like I'm going to school, so it's like a school bag, but we don't need that. And then in a little package. And this hair, it says made in China, where they're all made, I assume. Then this is another package where the hair's in, and this says Brazilian version hair, 360 frontal wig, 150% density, 18 inches, natural straight, natural color. So I have my wig cap on, and you're just gonna see how she sits, and then I'll show you how I slay her, and then we'll see how we feel afterwards. So first things first, 360, it means there's lace all over my head. She comes with 2 combs. We need to get her name. So 2 combs, 2 at the back and 2 in the front. Yeah, 2 at the back, 2 in the front, and then an adjustable strap, so she will be secured. Bleach knots, if I'm not mistaken. And then natural color, so it's like a natural brown, which is amazing. And she comes pre-plugged, but my friend's gonna help me plug her more because we need to define that, right? So let's see. Okay, sister love come through. Okay, we need to get her name. Okay guys, she is a nice boss. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is cut the lace, and then I'm gonna lay her, and then after laying her we will pluck her, right? My Ferrero is helping me because we have limited resources.
And 2 hands are better than 1.
Exactly. She's using the yellow got to be glue. I have never used it, and she swears for it, so we're gonna try.
This one, yeah, will stick to you like glue.
Who am I?
Stick to you like white on rice.
Disagree.
I'll just put it thickly,
Okay.
just for security.
There you go. And you'll see she doesn't really put it like on the edges. She puts it around, because some of us are
we need
edges.
to preserve these edges.
Exactly. Work hard. It's hard on these streets. Okay, so while she does that, I'm gonna start cutting the back. I feel like if you're doing a 360, you need 2 hands, 2 set of hands, right?
2's better than 1.
Yeah. Am I doing it? I got this one too.
Okay, so
I look like a pirate. Arr.
it's okay.
Arr. And then, okay, I'm gonna let go.
Put it up. The hair from the
okay.
back.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I don't want to pull, so I'm gonna be super gentle. Okay, do I have everything? This
More.
one? Okay, more.
This one.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Now we're just gonna lay her. So my wig is laid. Like, I actually like how how he laid it. My friend helped me like real good with the 360. I'm not a big fan of of baby hairs, because my baby hairs ain't all straight and silky. So what I usually do is I just like straighten the hair. but I'm just saying the feel is amazing. I love this feel. The density, it's not too thick because I can't do thick hair. Like, I just can't. That's not me. I can't do thick hair. And it is, oh, hold on. Oh, it's like, it's amazing. Like, it's amazing. I think I'm going to change my lip color.
It's like shades.
She shades? Okay, she shades. So one thing is she shades, okay? So as again, this is a review so everybody can see like how it is. But she shades, which is weird because she's supposed to be Brazilian, like virgin hair Brazilian. Just saying, dear company. Okay. And hold on, doesn't her makeup look awesome? Sorry guys. Doesn't her makeup look flawless? Done by yours truly.
Okay, so how are we going to do this?
I would say, okay, keep the path. And then, and by the way, I also made makeup on my shirt. So that's why I look like this. Put the flat iron on it. So close it.
Like I've never laid it before.
Okay, sorry boo boo. Oh yeah, do that. Let's see. Okay, I think we're going straight with her.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna curl her. I kind of want to try just like this to get, yes. Hello, queen. Thank you, boo boo. Why is it to be
Sensitive parts.
sensitive parts? Okay, tell me when you're ready so I can just hold for dear life.
I'm at the top.
Okay. Yeah. Other than that, it's actually laid very good, and I don't see any residue from the Got2b glue. We don't bring the freeze spray though, but the freeze spray works wonders if you have seen in my previous videos. So, yeah. I like how it's light, nice and light. Like, I don't do thick hair, guys. Me and thick hair are not, like, even my natural hair, it's getting so thick, but I'm not going to relax it because, oh, we've come a long way and wasted a lot of money on that. Okay. Ooh, tonight we're curling her for Rara. I think she's one of our favorites. Even though she shades, like, I feel like the only downfall is
it's not that much of shading though.
Okay.
It's controllable shade.
Okay, it's controllable, okay. But other than that, like, I feel like she's so easy to style, and it's 360, so I'll just keep you guys in the loops. So guys, again, if you like my reviews, don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, a big review with Dovie Hair, and my beautiful friend is here helping me because we're in the beautiful city of Chicago. Finally, we're in Chi-Town, and I just had to bring Sister Loves with so we can try her out. So guys, this is the final look. I love her. She's 18 inches long. I'm sorry about this, but I can't do anything about that. She's 18 inches long. And she's straight and laid, and it's a 360. Guys, she doesn't tangle. I love her. Her name is Gabrielle Union. We're calling her Gabrielle Union. Doesn't tangle. Light, so it's 150% density, and it's virgin Brazilian natural hair. It shades a bit, but other than that, we don't care. We still got snatched up in the streets. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.